Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So today we are going to be tying the Ankara stroke raw silk turban. I know you guys missed me and I missed you guys too. I don't know if you missed me, but if you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to watch this video to the end. If you're just joining us here for the first time, please subscribe. And then we do makeup and turban tutorials, and yeah, this is it guys. I'm going to be laying her edges first and making sure I'm going to be fast forwarding this, making sure the edges lay very lightly. Like, you don't want your edges peeping through your turban or your gilly or anything like that. So guys, I'm going to be mixing these two hair tie together, the raw silk and the Ankara material. First of all, I'm going to be doing a 50-50 part hair tie, like equal parts. I just placed the middle part of the turban on her head like the raw silk, and then folded it in a little bit. Then I'll be pleating like 3 pleats and then pressing it close to her ears. If you noticed, my model doesn't like her earrings showing, like her earrings hidden behind the turban, so we're going to be trying as much as possible to bring out the earrings. So yeah, because she has so many piercings, and the beauty of these piercings is when you tie the hair tie, you want it to show properly. So I'm going to be folding the hair tie in a triangular shape. That's the Ankara one. Then after placing it on top of the material, the raw silk material, I'll be asking her to hold it like this. As you can see, I'm putting the Ankara, after placing it on top, I'm putting it under the raw silk material so it stays firm, because of course we are going to be pushing the hair tie back properly. And if you can notice, it's was stressing her ears, and of course you want the earrings to show properly. So guys, this is it. I'm going to be showing the side of the gilly. Yeah, can you see how it looks very tight from the ear area? Then I'm going to be using the raw silk and rolling it a little bit more, not tight rolling. I'm just placing this at the top like this, then using the Ankara part. We just want the Ankara to show a little bit, and this turban is like the very simple type of turban, so that you can mix your hair tie and your raw silk together. Just very simple. So guys, after this, I'm going to be using this other Ankara part and then folding it at the back. Some people don't really like that part of the Ankara that will be making your hair tie. You're mixing two hair ties and it will be looking very big or very heavy and all of that. So I'm trying as possible to minimize that big part of the Ankara and all. So I'm just going to be raising up the other handle of the hair tie, bringing it to the other side again. Then I'll just fold everything and tuck everything in. You want it to be very simple. Yeah guys, so as you can see, I'm just going to be pleating that lightly and tucking everything in together so that it looks a little bit puffy at the top of the gilly. At this point, I have been rearranging and rearranging. I don't know why it's not staying well, but finally we made it and it stayed on properly. Can you see this? So I'm going to be tucking that one in, making sure everything stays perfectly. And yeah, this is the turban, raw silk and Ankara material mixed together. I'm just going to tuck that in, and it was super firm. Guys, you need to see this entire life. It was looking super nice and neat, and everything stays in perfectly. So I just push the hair tie back a little bit so that her earrings will come out and everything, because she wants her piercings to be obvious and all. So I just went to the back and just tucked everything in, and voila, we are done with the hair tie. You need to see how cute this looks. Sorry guys, I have been avoiding this crowing of this hen not to enter my video, but finally you guys should manage it and all. Yes, so this is the back of the hair tie, the side, and also this is the front. So guys, I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.